I'm Jane DeGraff, and today I'm celebrating World Egg Day with this fabulous kitchen staple, the egg. And what I am doing is making a dinner for two with groceries that cost less than $10, but I'm going to make it a little bit fancy. What am I going to make? I'll tell you. I'm making Korean chili pickled eggs, also known as Mayak eggs, and I promise you, you will never look back because they are so simple and so delicious. For all these recipes and more, check out australianeggs.org.au, but let me walk you through my recipe. The first thing we are going to do is make our marinade, which is going to flavour and colour our eggs. So what I have here is half a cup of soy sauce. I like to use the dark stuff, look at that. Into that, I'm going to pour half a cup of water. And to that, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now, you can use honey or you can use any other sugar that you like. That's up to you. But I find that the brown sugar gives it a lovely caramelly kind of taste. So we're just going to mix that together. Now, we're going to add lots of fun flavourings. Into that, I'm going to put some garlic and ginger. You can put as much or as little as you like. But our house is a pretty garlicky house, so there's a fair bit of garlic going in there. Into that, I'm going to add 1 red chilli and 1 green chilli because that's going to be our kick. In it goes, give that a stir. And then a whole lot of beautiful fragrant spring onions. In they go. Now, this is one of my favourite bits. I love the toasty flavour of sesame seeds when they've been fried in a pan, just dry fried. So here I've got a couple of tablespoons of my favourite sesame seeds. In they go. They're going to give some excellent texture to the finished dish at the end. Now, most of the recipes for this kind of Mayak egg will stop here, but I like to add some pickled vegetables to mine. So what I've got here is some beautiful radish and some baby cucumbers that I've chopped up. And what's going to happen is while they are in the sauce, they are going to pickle along with the eggs, which will give you these beautiful pickled vegetables right at the end. So we'll give that all a good stir around. Look at that. How good is that looking? Oh, yes. Oh, I wish you could smell it. All the chili and ginger and garlic in there. So give that a nice poke around. Now, over here, I have 6 boiled eggs. Now, I boiled these for 6 minutes from room temperature. They're our star ingredients, so we want them to be just the way we like them. You can cook them more or less, but I find 6 minutes from room temperature is absolutely perfect. Pop them into some cold water, peel the shell off, and there you go. There's our key ingredient. All I'm going to do now is get our beautiful marinade, pour that right over the top of our eggs. In it goes. Get everything in there. Oh, yes. All the veggies on top. How pretty does that look? Now, give it a little bit of a swish around. Pop that in the fridge for half an hour, turning the eggs halfway, and then we'll be ready to serve, and wait till you see it. All right, after half an hour, they look like this. It's absolutely fantastic. The eggs have taken on all the colour and flavour of the soy, and because I turned them, it's gone all over our beautiful eggs. Look at that. Now, the best part of this too is the veggies have all pickled down nicely as well, and they've got that lovely pickled texture. So all we have to do now is serve them up. I like to serve mine on some steamed rice with whatever greens you like. I've got some cabbage here, and then we're going to spoon the sauce all over the top because that is part of what's going on here. So take your egg, pop it onto your rice. Oh, yeah. Now, when I'm serving 2 people, I cook 6 eggs, but so that you get 3 each. But frankly, you could keep going. You could have more of these. So over we go. Get all that sauce, all the pickly juice and all those beautiful veggies. Pop them all over like that. Get some of that radish in there. Oh, yes. I love this so much. Okay, and the last thing we need to do now is break one open. Are you ready? Are you ready? Come on over and have a look. Uncover our eggs. We're gonna, dig into him like that. Oh, yes, look at that. There is our soy pickled chili egg. Break some off like this. Oh, get into it. Oh, that is so, so good. You have to try it, less than $10.